Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change age on TikTok. So unfortunately there is no direct option how you can change age on TikTok by yourself. Instead you will need to contact TikTok's customer support to help you do it. So open TikTok, go to your profile, and then open menu that is located in the top right corner of the screen, and then enter settings. Here scroll down to the section support and about and select report a problem. Then go to account and profile, select profile page and click other. Scroll down to the need more help, and this is basically, you see, TikTok customer support page, and here you need to type the message that you want to change your age to your account, and then you will receive a general message that will ask you to submit a form. So fill in all the required information in that form, send it, and then all you need to do is just wait. In a couple of days some kind of TikTok representative will contact you, and they will request your ID to make sure that your age is really is actual, and if approved they should change the age on your TikTok account in a couple of days. So that's how we can change age on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.